Your special someone doesn't want to lose you. They want a future with you and are committed to fulfilling their responsibilities in this relationship. They love you just as much as you love them, and there's a mutual spark of desire between you both. However, because of past trauma and disappointments, expressing their love gently can be challenging for them. Even today, they fear being abandoned by you because you are not talking to them or showing affection, which makes them miss you terribly. They long for the playful and innocent connection you both had in the past. Back then, they weren't ready for a serious commitment. But now they realized how much you mean to them and the sacrifices we made to make them happy and emotionally strong. They understand your true worth and importance. Currently, they are facing various challenges, including ignoring their true love for the sake of toxic and selfish people. Despite this, they genuinely want to rebuild this connection with you. Without you, they are going through a tough time, and you provide a unique sense of comfort and happiness that no one else can match. They believe that your connection is real and guided by something greater. Thank you for watching.